Okay, so let's sanitize this. This is the Oppo Enco W11 which I have got for 2300 rupees from Flipkart India. So let's unbox this. So what we get in the box, this is the AirPod, this is the Oppo AirPod, and what else we get in the box is some paper box, and a Type-C charger. Yes, it supports Type-C, which is a very good thing, and some extra ear tips, which is also very nice to add them. So let's talk about the earpods. Okay, so this is the earpod itself. It has a USB Type-C, a LED indicator at the front, and this one only comes in the white color. And in there we got the earpod itself. Okay, so talking about the case, the hinge is really like good, and it produces a snappy sound when we close it, so like it's quite good. And the earphones doesn't even fall. They're held by they're held by magnets, so they don't fall easily if you are carrying it. Let's connect it with the phone. Okay, so connecting them are very easy. Just open the lid and they are automatically went into the Bluetooth pairing mode. A orange light will blink onto the case. Then it will come into your new devices, Oppo Enco W11, and they are paired. Here it shows the battery percentage, which is 80%. Okay, so let's use them and let me tell you how it is after a few days. Like what's the sound quality and how's the mic, how's the audio output. Okay, so I have been using them for a few days now. Now these are very good and very loud and these earphones are like very good at this price range. You get the capacitive touch buttons. As mentioned on the box, there's a capacitive touch button and it's water resistant IP55. There is also noise reduction, which I don't feel there is much, and it's binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission system. Like most of the earphones under 2000 of the Boat or Noise or any other company, what happens there that the left earphones connect to the right one and then the right one connects to the phone. So what happens that if you put the one in the box, you can't use the another one simultaneously. So in this, the both earphones connect simultaneously to the phone. So if you even put one in the box, the other one will work just fine, and you can keep one for charging and use the other one. Like most of the people like this feature, if they can use only one earphone and kept one for charging. So I like this one for that feature. And what else is written is that it has a intelligent touch control. So there is a touch, you just tap and hold for volume controls, and just tap for Google Assistant, or double tap for music change. For that it's nice. And there is enhanced bass. Yes, and there is enhanced bass. Yes, there is a little bass in it. The sound profile is like very good if you considering this price range. Battery life is also 20 hours. This earphone out of the box gives you 5 hours of battery life as it claims, but it gives me around 3 to 4 hours. so that's okay. And while playing PUBG, it says there is a low latency, but I don't feel much. And connecting them is like very easy. Just open the case and just wear them, and it will get connected. As you can see, it's get connected to my device. Even if I play music, there is a little bass in this, as it mentioned in the box. Yes, there is and the build quality of the box, the case is also very good. The sound output from these earphones are very loud, and it's well balanced, as I say. I have also done some calls from these earphones, and the call quality was also very good. The other party could hear me very good and very clearly. And if you are someone who receives a lot of calls, so this is the call quality you will get. The audio quality from the microphone, this is me speaking from the microphone, and the fit in the ear are pretty tight too. Like it didn't fell from my ears. Even if I shake my head, it was kept in my ears, and it didn't fell automatically from my ears. So the fit was pretty tight too. And talking about the codec, these earphones support the AAC codec, not the aptX one, which is also quite good, the AAC, as you don't get any aptX support in this price range. So okay, so this was my review for the Oppo Enco W11. I have also used the Redmi S earphones. They're like pretty good, pretty better from those ones. I also have the OnePlus Bullets, and it sounded better than those also. And you get it in compact pack, which you can put it in your pocket or take it anywhere. It's a very good earphones if you considering the budget price of like 2500, but you can get them for 1500 in sales. Like Flipkart Big Billion Day sale is coming, so you can get them for 1500 or 2000 around. So that's it for the video. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Peace.